Fuck, it's hot. Hey guys, today we're fixing a Black & Decker toaster. This is actually the toaster for my kitchen, and for over a year, basically only the left side was working. And then if we tried to put the toast down on the right side, it just wouldn't turn on or switch. So we're trying to figure out what's going on. At the same time, sometimes on this side, the toast is just falling down the cracks, it's burning. So finally had enough, just decided to take a look at what's going on. Okay, the first thing is always unplug the device before you do anything. Always do that. So fixing a toaster can seem super intimidating, but the first step is always just take a look. Just look and see if you see anything sort of interesting or fishy here. So I'm just looking in the toaster. This looks fine. You know, that looks obviously pretty bent. So that might be why some of the toast is slipping through. This looks fine. And then this doesn't look like any good. So that's out of that slot there. So let's just try fixing those things. So let's try putting this back in that slot. And then let's just try rebending this. Okay, so this is made of thin metal, so I'm just going to try just bending it back. Please. Okay, it's more or less centered now. That looks good. And then I'm just going to try to see if I can put this back in the slot. I may need two hands for that. Okay, yeah, it's in there. Just pull it up. Just one tip when you're bending this into place, if you pull down on the switch here, or on the toast lever, and you pull up on the bread holder, just allows you to straighten it out a little bit better. Plug it in and see if it works. Okay. Left side's working. Right side's working. So that just goes to show something I've been putting off for over a year that I thought might be a complicated fix with electronics and electricity and all that. It was just bending a few things in the toaster oven.